dia, Brian Tavares, carregado de projetos em Montréal.
Je suis en charge de la personnalisation des solutions Ariba et Lisa.
And I enjoy working at Enware because of the family atmosphere and they sincerely care about their clients.
Bien sûr, nous avons plusieurs valeurs, l'intégrité, le travail d'équipe, le respect. C'est vraiment très important chez Enware, mais ce qui nous différencie le plus, c'est l'approche familiale.
Trabajo desde Guadalajara, México, ayudando a nuestros clientes y prospectos a mejorar y automatizar los procesos dentro del almacén.
My job is to take care of customer and I'm loving it.
And I enjoy implementing SAP with the help of my coworkers.
Pour moi, nos clients sont une source d'inspiration.
For me, customer satisfaction is the reason why we're all doing what we're doing.
Je fais l'implantation SAP Business One et il va me faire plaisir de vous aider à simplifier votre vie financière dans le système.
Getting to a solution for the customer is the most important thing I can do, getting them up and running quickly so they can do business.
For me, the customer are partners. We are working together. They're collaborator with us and getting Enware better.
I'm here to help customers with SAP Business One to be more productive and to help them be happier with SAP Business One and add-ons.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Marco, je suis contrôleur. Je m'occupe de la comptabilité chez Enware Technologies et je m'assure que les factures qui sont envoyées aux clients sont sans erreur et le plus exact possible.
Pour moi, les clients sont une opportunité de se dépasser à tous les jours.
Bonjour, je m'appelle François Saint-Louis, je suis gestionnaire de pratique au bureau de Montréal.
What makes me happy, what drives me, the start of the day, making the customer happy and making sure they're a referenceable site. I want customers that will refer me to other friends of theirs so we get additional business.
I'm actually really good with customers and really helping them understand what the questions that they need to ask. So when a customer starts a project, they often don't know even what the questions are. So by having lots of experience with business, I'm able to work with them to help them understand what's important so that they can then look at the data and make good decisions.
For me, I want to make sure that the customers have everything that they need so that they can be the best that they can be.